heartbeat, heartbeat, heartbeat. Heartbeat, 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 heartbeat. Heartbeat, 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 heartbeat. Heartbeat, heartbeat.
Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have a new one. I picked this one up on Amazon. And if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. But y'all, get into this wig. Get into it. Y'all see the baby hairs. Y'all see the texture. Yes, this one does come from UNice, and I picked up their 7x5" water wave bye-bye knots pre-everything lace frontal wig. You guys can see it does have the bleached knots. It does have the pre-plucked hairline, baby hairs. It has the C-shaped ear tabs, so therefore you can have a nice comfortable fit. There's no adjustable straps, but they do give you a removable adjustable band. This is what the wig looks like. Off camera, I did spritz it down using a little bit of water just to kind of redefine the curls at the very tips of the hair. They were a little frizzy, so I just put a little bit of water at the very tips. It's looking nice and defined. Now, I do struggle with the lace. It's always too light for my skin tone. However, I'm just going to spray it using a little bit of this spray makeup. I ran out of my tinted lace spray, so this works just fine. I'll link everything that I'm using throughout this video in the detail section below, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to go ahead and get this wig installed, and let's just see what this wig is giving. I'm just brushing out the baby hairs just to kind of get rid of like that stiff look, just to soften them up just a bit. Y'all, you definitely don't need any adhesives. You guys see how the lace pretty much melts it down. I'm just adding a little additional powder just to really get it to melt into my skin. I'm going to pop a little bit of powder in the parting space, and then I'm going to use my Ebin lace glue spray. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just going to go ahead and just really melt this wig down. So after about 10 minutes or so, I'm just going to go ahead and remove my little edge bands. And you guys see how this lace literally just melted right into my skin. Like, literally, you don't see any lace. I love how soft the baby hairs look. They give you a ton of parting space. 7x5" is more than enough parting space to get a nice deep middle part, to get a nice deep side part too. But y'all, get into these waves. I really am becoming a fan of water wave hair. Like, it is definitely something that I would wear more so during the summertime, but don't be mad when you catch me wearing it this fall time. It's absolutely gorgeous. This unit is 150% density. It seems way more thicker, just way thicker. Just like look at the density on this unit. Now my unit is 24 inches long. It is the bye-bye knot series, so of course you're not going to see a single knot. The knots do come pre-bleached, the hairline pre-plucked. They even threw in some baby hairs for you guys. But I am going to give you guys just a few super simple styling options, not too crazy at all. This is like generally what I do when I'm pressed for time, when I literally need to get out the door. I just kind of like to tuck the hair behind my ears, and right now you guys see me kind of rolling the hair up into kind of like a little pinned up style. This is like my go-to. You can like literally run errands, go to church, go to work. This is like something super simple. Once again, if you're like pressed for time, you don't have much time to like really go in and really style this one up. This is just super convenient, simple, easy, beginner friendly. You're out the door. And again, of course, I am going to put this one back into a low pony Once again, super simple, easy, you're out the door. You can definitely wear this in a high bun, a half up, half down, whatever you choose to. There's so many endless possibilities. But once again, you guys do check out UNice. They are on Amazon Prime. Y'all don't sleep on Amazon. If you're pressed for time, definitely hit that 1 day, 2 day shipping and get it in a couple of days. But y'all, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Have a blessed one. Bye guys.